everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you're new here, this is Pavitra Iyer. So today I'm gonna be sharing this full face of glam makeup tutorial for this holiday season. So if you're interested, then continue watching. First things first, I'm super duper excited about my background, as you can see right there. And now I'm using this moisturizer from Vaseline. It's a ice cream moisturizer which is super cooling on my skin, and I really love this moisturizer. And then moving on, using this NYX primer and making sure I blend it nicely into my skin in patting motion so that it helps to glide my foundation very smooth. Then using this Milani foundation in the shade 06 Sand Beige, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face and neck with the beauty blender. And before blending, I'm going to be using this faces setting spray so that it melts my foundation nicely into my skin. Okay, so this makeup look is very versatile. You can definitely try for Christmas, New Year's Eve, or any party for that matter. And you can skip foundation if you don't want to. You can directly apply concealer, and also you can use any products which you have, and you don't have to use whatever I am using. So yeah, once I'm done blending my foundation, I'll move on with filling my eyebrows. For that, using Wet n Wild brow pomade in the shade Espresso. I'm using same brush which comes in the pot itself. The brush is precise, so I'm going to be filling my eyebrows with that, and then I'll be using spoolie to brush off any excess. So as of now, my eyebrows would be looking stark, but I will fix it with the loose powder. I'm using this Maybelline loose powder and patting the powder on the eyebrows like this. Leave it for some time, use spoolie to brush off the powder, and you'll be good to go. So you can just use this hack if you feel your eyebrows are overdone. Once that's done, using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige as a eyeshadow base. So I'm applying, blending it with the same beauty blender. Setting the concealer with the same Maybelline loose powder. Then for my eyeshadow today, using this Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette, taking this warm brown shade, I'm gonna be applying it on my crease with the fluffy blending brush, and I'm deepening my crease with the same eyeshadow. I'm slowly building the color of the eyeshadow. Once I like the intensity, then I'll move on with the darker brown shade which is slightly has red undertones. I'm deepening my crease even further, applying it on my inner corner as well like this so that it looks more gradient, and I really love this kind of eyeshadow placement. Then for my lids, using this light shade, blending it with the crease color, you can instantly see how it makes a much difference, and it also looks like cut crease, which I didn't, but yeah, this is how it looks. You can leave it just like this, but I'm gonna be adding this golden shade on top which makes it look more festive, and this kind of shades work pretty good with the fingers, so I'm using my fingers. And then I'll be blending the shade with my crease color so that it looks seamless and blended. Once blending is done, I'll move on with this crayon pencil from Faces Ultime Pro. I'm going to be doing my wing with this crayon pencil, first applying it and then using angular brush to smudge the liner. You need to smudge the liner and again reapply until you like the way your eyeliner is looking. So that is what I'm doing right here. So yeah, once I manage to make my liners look equal, I'll just apply the same crayon pencil for my tight line and then curling my lashes using this Maybelline mascara for my upper and bottom lashes. So then coming back to my face makeup, using same concealer to conceal my dark circles, blemishes, and then I'll be blending it with the same beauty blender. To set my concealer, using same loose powder which I used earlier. You can use it with brush, but I like to use the loose powder with my beauty blender itself. Then using this white kajal for my waterline, so that it opens up my eyes. You can see instantly, it will lift up your mood, energy, and it also feels your wide awake. So yes, to finish off my eye makeup, using mascara for my lower lashes. Then coming back to my face makeup, using this light brown warm shade for bronzing up my face. I like this palette to use in different ways. You can use your eyeshadows in many different ways, and it's like super versatile. It blends nicely, so I like to use it in different ways possible. Then once I'm done bronzing up with the light warm shade, I'm using this pink shade as a blush, and then making sure everything is blended nicely. Then using this light shade, it's a golden shade, I'm gonna be using it as a highlighter, highlighting my highest points. Also highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. Once that is done, I'm using the setting spray on the beauty blender itself and applying it in the patting motion like this, pressing it nicely into my skin so that everything is melted and looks seamless. At the same time, it locks up my makeup. Then to finish off my look, using this Miss Claire lip liner, I'm gonna be lining and filling my lips with the same lip liner pencil. On top, using this L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick in the shade I Explore, applying it all over my lips, and I did reapplied the crayon. So with that, we finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope this video was helpful, and I really loved how my makeup turned out. Do let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think. So yes, this is my full face of glam makeup tutorial, and Merry Christmas to each and everyone who is celebrating. With that being said, I'll wrap this video. Thank you all so much for watching.